What's up? It's Trey. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show how I laser targeted my affiliate keywords for an insane return on investment. This is a game-changing secret not a lot of people know when they're just starting out. But remember, in the last video, I shared how I turned my modest earnings into a jaw-dropping success story, and it all started with a simple but powerful tweak in my approach: mastering the art of keyword selection. No more random guessing or shooting in the dark, right? If you're ready to transform your strategy and start seeing your money jumping like Jordan, this is the video for you. Let's get it. So, the importance of the right affiliate keyword. All right, so quick fire question. What's the secret ingredient to affiliate marketing success that can double or even triple your earnings? Now, I know y'all smart, y'all my people, right? It's keywords, but not just any keywords. We're talking laser targeted, buyer intent infused words that make your affiliate offer irresistible. And before we get into the nuts and bolts of it, here's a heads up. I didn't just stumble across these strategies, right? I've lived them, breathing affiliate marketing day and night, and cracked six figures in just a single quarter using nothing but free YouTube traffic. And I'm about to give y'all the secret, so let's get into it. Now, what is buyer intent keywords? Buyer intent keywords are like magnets for consumer wallets. Have you ever noticed how some terms online are literally dripping with the urge to spend money? That's them. Keywords that are signaling someone's finger hovering over the buy now button, right? Like they literally have the credit card out. Why is that big news for you though? Because when you speak their language, your affiliate links become the bridge between just browsing and shut up and take my money, right? So imagine being a mind reader, knowing what people want to buy before they even want to know. That's the power of buyer intent keywords in your affiliate bag. All right, how to identify buyer intent keywords, as in how do you sniff out these money keyword opportunities? Okay, so you want to think Sherlock Holmes of search terms, right? So tools like Keywords Everywhere, they give you the scoop on the cost per click or the CPC of a word. So a high CPC, then you got a sign that's clearer than the Gotham City bat sign saying, yo, this is where the money resides and you need to go to it. But it's not just about chasing high CPCs. You also have to dissect terms like a pro, right? So looking for keywords that's laced with buyer intent keywords all over it with as little competition, okay? So high cost per click, low competition. I'm telling y'all, that's like uncovering the secret treasure map that's leading to X marks the profit. Y'all see what I did right there? Y'all, I'm cold with. Nah, I'm playing. All right, but categories of buyer intent keywords. So let's slice and dice these keywords into specific categories. So first up, info keywords. So these are the how-tos or best ways to, right? So these guys are curious and they're ripe for the right offer. Now you have comparison keywords. So picture this: iPhone versus Samsung. So they already have choices in mind and you are making them make that deciding vote. And this is where you're making content around this or that, right? Around things that people are searching. They're like, yo, my choices are either this or that, and whichever one you say is the best based on all your things, that's the one I'm going with. And then next you have product keywords, where specifics take the cake, right? Buy 2023 MacBook Pro. You see how specific that is? Their card is ready and it's ready to start smoking. All right, so you know those are buying signs because they're looking for a specific thing. They're looking for any kind of reason to say yes, right? And you give it to them and it's over. And then lastly, you have bargain hunting keywords. And that's when you start seeing stuff like cheap running shoes, discount codes for. Now these people, right, this crowd, they're looking for a deal and they want it right now. And they will scream, take my money, if you have the right deal for them, right? So if you're putting it in the right way and you have them use your code and they say, hey, I need that, and you can give it to them, it's a wrap. We talked about low competition keywords earlier. Here are some strategies for finding them. All right. So to find these hidden gems and be able to move through the crowd like Kanye at one time without elbowing through everybody, tap into competitive research. Okay. So what are they missing? And then niche down from there, right? Because a big fish in a small pond is way better than being a small fish in a gigantic ocean. All right. And then when your account grows and you have some more power behind it, that's when you can start moving into those wider keywords or that bigger space. Okay. So one thing you can do is tag your search terms with whatever year it is so that your content will look and it seems like it's fresh and newer, right? This is what I'm looking for right now, right? So 2024, since we just got into 2024, and someone who's looking for the newest video around whatever subject it is, they're gonna click that, right? So I'm telling you, people, zero in on niche specific pain points. This is the next one, y'all. Nothing screams louder than this than solving a specific problem. Here's the secret sauce right here, okay? Unleashing your buyer intent keywords into great content. That's the secret, right? Seamlessly integrating it boils down to this: engaging scribbles, eye candy imagery, and call to actions, right? That actually call to action. Okay, so you want to make each review authentic enough to replace a best friend's recommendation. That right there, that's worth its weight in gold. Okay, how often have we seen someone or we ourselves take our friend's advice and we ain't really fact check it, right? They just say, hey, this is the best person to go to, and we, without looking anywhere else, we just do it, right? We trust their opinion. So we are looking to be that go-to for the people who are searching for these terms. And you pair your tutorials with real stories for that, oh snap, it can work for me too, or that seems easy enough. As long as you can get them to see that, that's what you're looking for. And I'm telling you, people will rock with you and your links over those other people because you're actually focused on helping them. That's what it's all about. Helping them get what they want, and that will give you everything you want. Okay, so just a few more things here. When you are ready to swing in and bring in the secret weapons, some more tools you can use are Ahrefs. All right, and that's for being able to dive deeper into keyword research and better see, like on a paid way, how to see high search, low competition keywords and long-term keywords at that, right? I didn't even go into all that in this video, but that's where you can get into that. Now it is paid, but you know, it's gonna work. Then you have Uber Suggest for that insider edge. So that's your beginner map into keyword mastery. This affiliate game is a lot, okay? But if you break it down into a lot of these key points that I said in the video, that's gonna give you a huge leg up on a whole lot of folks out there, all right? So before you click on my next video, remember, hit the subscribe button, all right? Because you trust me and you don't wanna miss what's coming up next. As always, drop your keyword questions or any other kind of affiliate questions below. Let's create a community, y'all. Brainstorming right here in the comments. I'm Trey, and I'll catch you in the next one.